Hey guys, Artist Cam MTL. It's that time again. 2 for Tuesdays. Think you're gonna like this one? Roll that intro. So today I'm using the first part of 2 for Tuesday to introduce an educational vlog I've been working on lately. It's educational, it's a little silly, hopefully fun. Pretty sure you guys are going to like it. So without further ado, I give you Banking 101 starring Dexter. You can call him D.
Hello. Today I will give you an overview of what you will see in my upcoming vlog, Banking 101. We will be dealing with the most basic of banking products. Oh yes, the checking account. What are you waiting for? Roll the video, bro.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed making it. It was a lot of fun. Silliness, laughter ensues. Second part, 2 for Tuesday. This was, had a great time. We went out to St. Jerome to the North Shore Regional Park. And we went to check some little waterfalls and some rapids, take some long exposure pictures. It was a lot of fun. And, well, let's get straight to it. Roll that video. There we go. So that means we gotta go this way. For those who don't speak French or read French, marcheurs, that would be people who are walking, pedestrians if you will. And we gotta go that way. We've gotten to the rapids, and I'll show you really quick there what they look like, okay? Look at the rapids, dude, they're huge. They're massive. I'm kidding, these are not the rapids. that's it, guys. The end of another 2 for Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Glad you made it all the way. Check the bloopers after the video. I'm out. See you next Tuesday. I'm just kidding. Well, that's it, guys.
A checking account is a deposit account held at a bank or financial institution that makes you go crazy because you can't remember your lines. Oh, okay. The checking account can be described as a transactional account. No, I will not listen. Leave me alone.